simple but meaningful story about a good deed I did for my Lola that really taught me the importance of kindness, respect, and family love. One weekend, my Lola asked me to help her to sell her vegetable in our local market. She usually does it alone, waking up early in the morning to prepare everything. That day, I decided to join her, help carry basket, arrange the vegetables, and assist the customers. At first, I thought it would be just tiring, but as the day went on, I saw how much effort she gives every single day, smiling at customers, patiently weighing the vegetables, and even giving discount to those who needed it. So, through this experience, I realized that virtues shows here are kindness, hard work, and respect for elders. Helping my Lola was a way to show love and appreciation for everything she stand for our family. I also learned how kindness can be as simple as giving your time and effort to someone who needed help. I learned that doing good deeds doesn't always have to be big or expensive. Sometimes it's a simple act like helping at home, listening, showing care that mean the most. Even small actions of kindness can make a difference. Because of this experience, I've decided to be more helpful and compassionate not only for my family but also to others. I want to make kindness a habit, helping classmates, showing respect to elders, and being more patient and then understanding in my daily life. So that's my story, helping my Lola to sell her vegetables. It may be a small deed, but it taught me a big lesson about love, kindness, and respect. Thank you for watching, and I hope this inspired you to do your own good deeds too.